Welcome to Easy Healthy Eats. I'm Erica. This is a quick tutorial to show you how the meal planning service works. Once logged in, head to the weekly menus page. Scroll down and you'll see 3 weeks of published meal plans. Click any of those and you'll find 4 main meal recipes and 1 smoothie recipe. This is consistent every week. If you click on the eye icon, you'll see a pop-up of the ingredients within that recipe. If you click on the heart icon, it will add that recipe to your favorites list. If you want to create your very own meal plan, just click the Add to My Meal Plan button. You can add as many recipes and anything that's ever been published to your very own meal plan. If I click into roasted spuds and asparagus, it takes me to the recipe review section, under which there are tags specific to this recipe. Now, despite grass-fed beef being a part of this recipe, you'll notice that I have options here for vegans, vegetarians, pescatarians, dairy-free, etc. If you scroll down to the bottom of this section, you'll see the modifications. I focus on really simple, healthy meals here that accommodate all dietary requirements. So rest assured, no matter what your specific needs are, you'll find a very simple, easy, and delicious recipe within our archives. You can adjust the serving size of any recipe. Most meals are designed to serve 4 people. Sometimes you'll see 6, and the smoothies are a single serve. Click the Healthy Highlights tab to learn why ingredients are healthy. This is a great educational tool, and there will be lots of myths busted in this section. Click the Ingredients tab to see a breakdown of what you need to make this recipe. Any ingredient that's underlined has a pop-up attached, which either shows more information or how to cook that ingredient. You can also use this section to add items to your shopping list. If you're on a mobile, you'll need to swipe, and that'll give you the pop-up including more information or to add that ingredient to your list. If you're on a desktop, everything can be done on the right-hand side. Click on Directions to learn how to easily put together your recipe. Follow the step-by-step instructions, and anything underlined again has the pop-up attached. At the bottom of the tabs, there's a comments section for users to engage. Here we talk about modifications, suggestions, and support one another in the kitchen. After you've added single ingredients or full recipes to your shopping list, click the basket icon at the top of the page. Here you can organize it based on food category or recipe. You can also adjust the quantity of any ingredient in case you want to bulk up on something. Any ingredient that's underlined is again that pop-up. On a desktop, you'll see the icon at the right-hand side. Click the eye. If you're on a mobile, you'll have to swipe, and then you can look at the eye, or you can remove it from the shopping list. You can also add your own items at the top or the bottom of the shopping list, such as garbage bags, dish detergent, etc. This will just save you so much money and ensure that you only have to shop once a week. If you head to Recipe Archives, it takes you to a page that has every recipe ever published. At the top of the page, you'll see tags. Those are there to streamline your approach so that you can filter through the hundreds of recipes and easily find what you're looking for. For example, the vegan option will show you every recipe that's vegan or is easily adapted to suit vegan needs. If you go into any of these recipes, you can favorite them or you can add them to your very own meal plan. Click on My Profile to access your account settings. You can upload a profile picture. This comes in handy when you're using the comment section. You can also change your plan at any time. If you sign up to pay quarterly, you'll save 20% off the monthly plan. If you sign up to pay annually, you'll save 40%. You can cancel anytime and I'll refund you the difference remaining in your account. Thank you so much for your interest in Easy Healthy Eats. I look forward to cooking many nutritious and delicious meals with you. We're going to revolutionize mealtime and get you cooking with confidence. Any questions at all, I'm only an email away. See you on the inside.